Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Saturday. Thank you so much for clicking into the video and joining me today. So we are at Dollar General getting ready to do some 5 off 25 deals. Alright, so I'm gonna grab these U by Cortex tampons. They are priced at $3.25 and we have a $1.50 digital coupon. I'm gonna grab the 9 regular and 9 super. You can also grab the super plus. Or these also apply. The U by Cortex, this one just like the regular one, I don't know, but it's $4, so I feel like the U by Cortex, these ones come with 18, these ones only come with 16, and they're more expensive, so, but whatever you prefer. Next thing I'm grabbing is some Gang Fleens. These are priced at $3.95, and we do have a $1 off digital coupon. I'm also going to grab some Gang softener. These are also priced at $3.95, and we also have a $1 off digital coupon on Gang. So this is going to be a all digital deal, guys. All these coupons that I'm going to be using today are digital coupons, so please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'm also going to grab these Airwicks starter kit. These are priced at $3.35, and we have a $1 off and 50 cents coupon. You can get this scent. There's that scent up there. I don't really like that scent that much, so I'm going to go for the lavender. I'm also going to grab Gang dish soap. These are priced at $2, and we do have a $1 off digital coupon when you buy 2, so I'm going to go ahead and pick up 2 of them. Great time, guys, to be stocking up on some dish soap if you can find it. It's just like an item that doesn't seem to really be in need, but you never really know. Should I try this? I should try this one, right? Why not? Why not? Oh my god, look what I just saw. Boom. Stocked up. What? There's a whole bunch there, but I already used my digital coupon on that, so. Or was that Family Dollar? Anyways, yeah, guys. Get yourself some if you can. $4.95. Pretty cool. Alright, so I'm also going to get these Dawn dish soaps. So actually, there's a 50 cent off digital coupon. I'm going to use it on this one. I'm going to go ahead and pick up this Dawn dish soap, the $2.50. But you can use it on the $4.95 one, the 50 cent off coupon. However, we've been getting better coupons for that. For this product, so I'm just going to kind of wait on the better coupon. I'll rather use my 50 cents on the cheaper item and wait for that other coupon for that. Okay guys, last thing I'm grabbing is this Head and Shoulders. These are the travel items. These are $2. We have a $3 off coupon when you buy 2. The travel size items do qualify for that coupon, and it's right here in the travel size area. So that coupon just makes them $1. Alright, so I believe I hit my $25 mark. I'm going to go ahead, redo my calculations, and then go ahead and check out. Alright guys, so I made it out of the stores. My deals worked out pretty good. I did have a little issue. I'll explain it in a second. So here are the items that I grabbed, like I showed you guys. And as you can see, I grabbed a candy, a piece of Mentos. So my total before coupons, when I calculated everything, hit $25 exact. However, this Gang dish soap, the honey berry, this specific flavor, this specific scent, rung up as $1.80 rather than the $2 like the other ones rung up as. So it brought me 20 cents short when I was checking out, and of course I noticed that my $5 off store coupon wasn't coming through. So I quickly just grabbed a cheap candy, which is the Mentos was priced at 75 cents so that I could go above my $25 mark. So keep that in mind. If you don't want to grab candy, if you just wanted to grab these deals with that little piece of candy, don't grab the honey berry scent. Just grab the regular Gang original. Grab 2 of these instead, and then that way you'll hit your $25 mark exactly. So I could have done that. I could have just gone back, put this back, and then grabbed this, but my brain doesn't function right when I'm checking out, and I get stressed when people are behind me and I'm causing a line. So I just grabbed a candy, which I'm kind of not even mad about either, because you know who doesn't want candy. Anywho, let's go over my transaction. So the first thing I grabbed was a U by Cortex pads tampons. They're priced at $3.25, and we had a $1 off, $1.50 off digital coupon. I grabbed the 2 Gangs like you guys saw. Keep in mind, this rung up 20 cents short, but the Gangs are priced at $2. You buy 2, you're going to pay $4, and then that $1 off digital coupon will come off. And then I got Gang Flings. These are priced at $3.95, and we have a $1 off digital coupon. I also grabbed Gang Fabric Softener. These are also priced at $3.95, and I had a $1 off digital coupon. And I grabbed this Airwick starter kit. So these are, I think that's what it's called, Airwick starter kit. Scented warmers, I'm not even sure. Anyways, these are priced at $3.35, and we have a $1 off and 50 cents digital coupon. And then I also decided to grab some Dawn dish soap. So those are priced at $2.50, and we have a 50-cent off digital coupon. And then I grabbed 2 of these travel size Head and Shoulders. These are priced at $2 each, and when you buy 2, you get $3 off. So pretty good deal for travel size items, and only made them $1 for both, or 50 cents. So that's everything I grabbed. Like I said, the Gang was 20 cents cheaper. This one specifically, this Gang rung up at $2, the original scent, like it was supposed to. I think this is, yeah, original scent. It rung up $2, no problems here. This, for whatever reason, rung up 20 cents cheaper. So I grabbed the Mentos Little Mints candy, which was 75 cents. So let me go ahead and show you my receipt. Alright, so here's everything that I grabbed. As you can see right here, Gang Dish Honey Berry rung up as $1.80. That is what screwed me over, but yeah. So it, for whatever reason, that scent rung up a little cheaper than it was supposed to. Isn't that funny? When things rung up cheaper, it actually causes problems than help us. So here, yep, that's all my receipt. That's everything that I grabbed. And my subtotal was $11.05. So it was $12.22 with tax, and I had a total savings of $14.50. So guys, I grabbed a total of 10 items. That made everything only $1.10 each for everything. If that Gang dish soap would have rung up the way it was supposed to at $2, I would have paid $10.50. That my subtotal would have been $10.50, and then I believe for 9 items it would have been $1.66 each. So keep that in mind. So yeah guys, what is wrong with me? Alright guys, so that is it for my Dollar General video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.